So, ladies and gentlemen, I know you've seen all these videos out there from all these self-improvement YouTubers. Hamza has Adonis Protocol. I don't even know what he wants you to do. 75 hard, 3 workouts a day, read, all that. Iman Ghazi has monk mode. I know you've seen all these dopamine detox kind of videos out there from your favorite gurus and self-improvement YouTubers. But I have a different philosophy. So before you actually go all in on self improvement and quitting everything cold turkey, all your bad habits cold turkey, I actually want you to go all in on your worst habits. And I want you to do this for a short period amount of time, 1 to 3 days, literally whatever your worst habits are, doing drugs, drinking, partying, binging Netflix, scrolling all day long, playing video games. I want you to go on a 3 day crazy bender. Like literally go too far. Like I want you to try to go too far on the first day so that on the second day, like you don't even want to do a complete 3 days. And and then so you have it, but you have a 3 day window where you can just go crazy, and you have to go super hard on all your bad habits. And that's the issue with all these, dopamine detox, monk mode, Adonis protocol kind of programs out there, is that people need to go all in on their bad habits first to realize how empty and how not worth it they actually are before you actually start going in and all on your good habits and realize why your good habits actually make you feel good in the first place. So the thing is, when you tell yourself that you can't have something or you have to do something, like, you can't have this or you have to, stay clean all day, it actually makes you want to do it more and it stays on your mind all day. It's like if someone tells you, hey, do not think about a purple gorilla or something like that. You're actually going to think about it even more. But if you overdo it, like, if you like go and black out on something on alcohol, you can never like drink that alcohol again because it just makes you like gag and reflex. Or if you like eat like way too much of a certain food, you can't eat that food again because you're tired out your taste buds. That's what I want you to do with all your bad habits. And then when you do that and you just go all in and you completely overdo it, like you just go way too hard, you'll actually see how shitty it makes you feel. And then at that point, it's not even about discipline or motivation. Because you know how bad it's going to make you feel and you know that it's actually fake dopamine and it's not real, you're gonna actually want to work because you know that's real dopamine and you actually feel good about yourself at the end of the day, and you don't wake up at 3 a.m. with anxiety when you actually get your dopamine from real stuff like doing work, doing outreach, making content, going to the gym. Most people trying to get to 3 to 5K per month are stuck in like bad dopamine habit loops essentially. They'll say they don't have time to work on their agency, or hey, I don't know how to do this or what, but they have so much time to scroll on TikTok and scroll on Instagram. If you just spent that same exact time watching YouTube videos and taking action on every single YouTube video that you watched, you'd be at a much better place. When you reset your dopamine, deep work, going to the gym, socializing, that becomes the reward. And then also, that's when in your agency, that's when you're actually having fun, because when you're bored, you don't think, oh, okay, I should go do my bad habits. You think, no, I should do outreach. I should work on my website. I should help, I should make my service better for my clients. So the difference between people who actually get to that 5K, 10K per month mark and the people that don't is some people are just stuck in cheap, fake dopamine patterns that just completely rob their time, attention, and energy. And the ones that do make it, they actually get joy from doing outreach, from making content, from doing good service for their clients. And the reason they get good dopamine from that is because they've completely exhausted all their bad kind of habit options, and it's not even fun for them anymore to do that. They know if they get involved with their bad habits, whatever those vices are, they're gonna wake up at 3 a.m. with anxiety and just feel worse overall than if they just didn't do it. I personally have a program. It's not a course like how all these other YouTubers have it. It does have a course in it, but it's more of a almost like a one-to-one type of program. It does have a course, but it has a one-to-one program where I personally work with you. I review your outreach. I make you do a daily hour by hour report so we can see your time, see where you're messing up, review your client work, and reviewing your actual messages that you're sending out to potential clients. And then yeah, you get direct access to me, whatever, you get my number, whatnot. And this program is for people that want to get to that 3 to 5K per month mark, and then from there, obviously on your own, you'll be able to get a 10K. If you can get to 3 to 5K, you just have to do that twice essentially. So that's kind of the runway, is to get to 3 to 5K per month. Most people say, oh, get to 10K per month. I actually think 3 to 5K per month has the biggest impact on your life, because that actually allows you to quit your job and whatnot. 10K per month is almost more getting into luxury, especially if you're younger, in your 20s or in your teens. So if you want like a structured program where you don't just buy a course and they forget about you. You actually want accountability and someone holding you accountable basically for what you do for every hour of the day, and you're essentially crazy like that, where you even want to track every hour and write down what you do every hour of the day. Then hit the link in the description and buy that course. And remember, I'm the complete opposite of Hermosi or any of these guys, where they'll say, oh, I have nothing to sell you. I'm the complete opposite. No, I do have something to sell you, and I want my free content to be so good that you're like, dude, I have to buy from this guy. So hit the link in the description if you want accountability and essentially someone forcing you to get to 3 to 5K per month.